Hi everybody, it's me again. Right, I've just, a couple of weeks ago I got this Dometic CRX 50 fridge. Used it on a couple of trips now, and I just want to show you how I got on and what it looks like in place. So here we go. There she is, look. I cut a hole out in the unit just to because the flush kits are like 50 or 60 quid, so I thought I'd do it that way. Anyway, I'll show you how I work it. Hold the power button in like that, and it's very quiet as well. Right, so what I do, it's on setting 3 there. There's your freezer. So what I do when I first use it, I hold that in there, which sends it to the freezer setting for all of it. And what I do is I leave it on there for a couple of hours, and then put it back by holding that in again, and then I press, and then I add it on the third light there like that. As you can see, it's quite nice. It's not very big, it's, you know, it's only 50 litres or whatever. But I don't know whether you can hear it on the video, but it doesn't even bother you when you're in bed or anything like that, you know. The only thing is with them, they're expensive, and I suppose you're paying for the new technology. But yeah, I just wanted to show everybody my addition. It uses about 1.5 amp, and I didn't even notice any difference with anything. You know, it didn't drain the battery or out like that. And also, while I'm here, I said I'd do an update on the oven. We've used that a few times now, and we wouldn't want to be without it. Fantastic. Oh, we cook everything. We've had a full roast with it. I would say though, it's a little bit slower than obviously the one at home, but you know, that's to be expected. So yeah, she's coming on. So yeah, I'm really pleased with that. Well over the moon. Mind you, for the money, they ought to be good, aren't they? So anyway, I installed the Propex heater under the seat. There's the thing, but it was faulty. So Propex, brilliant. They've picked it up today. Just there's the thermostat, look. And they're gonna, you know, fix it or whatever. Because I tried for 3 days, and for 3 days it did my head in. Tried everything as per instructions and everything. Anyway, I just thought I'd show you what I've been up to in my van. Look at the shower cap. So yeah, anyway, thanks for watching. If you've got any questions on the cooker or the fridge, whether I think they're worthwhile or whatever, just leave down in the comments below, and I'll answer them to the best of my ability. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.